Brush your teeth before bed. It is normal to brush the teeth twice a day, and washing at night is more important than the day in order to get rid of germs and the accumulation on them during sleeping hours. In this video, we will learn how to maintain teeth. Brush your teeth before bed. It is normal to brush the teeth twice a day, and washing at night is more important than the day in order to get rid of germs and the accumulation on them during sleeping hours. Use the brush correctly. The brush must be used correctly, as its weak use on the teeth is considered as if it has not been cleaned. And it must take sufficient time to clean by making circular movements to remove food residues, as neglecting this step results in the accumulation of food waste and gingivitis. Not to neglect the tongue. The accumulation of bacteria on the tongue leads to the appearance of a foul smell from the mouth, in addition to some other problems in the mouth. So it is necessary to clean the tongue gently every time you brush your teeth. Use a suitable toothpaste. There are some important elements that must be looked for in toothpaste that are not effective in whitening and the flavors it contains, and among the elements that must be present. And this substance is one of the basics to maintain dental health, because it is anti-decay, fights germs, and provides a protective barrier for your teeth. Use dental floss. Many people underestimate the importance of dental floss, which enables us to reach food residues stuck between the teeth, thus preserving the teeth and gums from infection. Use mouthwash. Mouthwash is necessary for dental health, because it helps reduce acidity in the mouth, and cleanses hard-to-reach areas and around the gums. Drink water. Water is one of the best drinks for oral health, and it is recommended to drink water after every meal, because it helps to get rid of the negative effects of food and drinks. Reducing acidic and sugary foods. Sugar turns into acid in the mouth, and thus leads to the erosion of tooth enamel, and thus leads to tooth decay. Go to the dentist. You should visit the doctor at least twice a year to check your dental health and be able to treat it. If you like this video, do not forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to receive all our videos.